Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Erica, and today I have an after dark cleaning and decluttering video for you. I'll be working on a few of the cabinets in my kitchen using my new Love Meg Multi-Surface Cleaner, and I'll let you know everything I think you need to know about it. I hope you find tons of motivation from this video today. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for weekly inspiration, and if you're going to be cleaning and decluttering along with me and the music, then I hope you get a lot done. I'll leave a playlist in the description box for tons more motivation as well. I started off with a clean kitchen so that I could focus on cleaning and decluttering the insides of the cabinets I'd be working on. I want you to keep in mind that even after I'm done, they might not look exactly Pinterest worthy, but this is how we make the cabinets work for us, and I'm always happy with the result when I go through them a few times a year. Let me know in the comments how often you go through your kitchen cabinets like this.
We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything.
Okay, its first appearance, the Love Meg Multi-Surface Cleaner. I've been using this spray for a couple of weeks, testing it out all over the house. I bought it the day that it was released. The website was very easy to use, and it arrived less than a week after buying it with free shipping.
The sky, when you were close to me, I can't believe what you brought.
You can see that the spray got up so much dirt and debris that you can never see when the cabinets are full. The scent is a combination of cucumber, melon, and peppermint. The solution comes in a concentrate, which you pour into the spray bottle and fill with water. I used filtered water to make sure that our tap water wouldn't leave behind any streaks. I do want to point out that I've heard it negatively mentioned that the first ingredient of this product is fragrance, but that's only the concentrate. Basically, if you like Mrs. Meyer's sprays, which I do, once you add your own water to the bottle, the solution begins similarly.
How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, you're making me wholehearted. Together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
see that the dishes stored in here had crumbs from the bin of baking supplies, so I wanted to get all of this cleaned out and cleared up.
Oh, come on and let's go, let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free.
The scent from the cleaner lingers and still smells fresh days later when I open these cabinets. Like I said earlier, it's similar to the Mrs. Meyer's spray. The scent is one of the main reasons I use them. In the same way, I have a specific spray that I use on stainless steel that I always use and love, and I only use water on mirrors to keep them completely streak-free.
Lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close.
I prefer to keep these baking items in their original packaging, so I also seal them in Ziploc bags to keep them fresh. I've reused the current bags several times, so I'm replacing all of them now to prevent more crumbs in the cabinet.
Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time.
You can see there are so many items that I've decluttered from only these two cabinets. Some things are expired and other things are being relocated for seasonal use. This time I don't have anything that I'll be donating. When I removed the trash can to change the bag, I noticed how filthy this garbage can area was, so I thought I'd use the spray there as well.
Baby, we should start living now.
It worked great. Now that those cabinets are clean and decluttered, I have to clear the counters by putting these items back in their homes and the rest in storage for the holidays. They could have stayed, which is why I've previously left them out all year long, but the cabinets function so much easier this way.
Smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow. Like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul.
Now I'll give my counters one last spray down for the night, and I'm going to use the Love Meg Multi-Surface Cleaner for the final time this evening. I most often use my favorite 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaner for the kitchen countertops to keep them disinfected and streak-free, but occasionally I use something that can clean and leave a longer lasting scent. This spray worked great tonight. Overall, I would totally recommend this product to someone who likes sprays similar to the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface sprays. This cleaner is about double the price as the rest, but totally worth it to me because it's a nice way to support a channel that I love and a fun way to bond with the cleaning channel community here on YouTube. Thank you so much for spending a little of your time with me today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Sleeping through the edges of